If you're only creating 1 or 2 QR codes, a regular QR code generator will do. But if you're handling dozens, hundreds, or even thousands, that's bulk territory. And bulk needs to be handled differently. When you're dealing with dozens, hundreds, or even thousands of codes, manual just doesn't cut it. It's a waste of time, energy, and sanity. What you need is speed, structure, and smart tools. That's where the best bulk QR code generator comes in. Let me show you how QR Tiger lets you create up to 3,000 unique QR codes in one go. A bulk QR code generator is made for situations where creating codes one by one just isn't practical. Think about it. You're a product manufacturer printing thousands of unique QR codes for each item to link to product pages, manuals, or warranty registration, or you're organizing a large-scale event with personalized QR codes for every attendee's badge. Manually creating those one at a time, that's a nightmare. That's where bulk generation comes in. A QR code bulk generator lets you upload your data in a spreadsheet and instantly create hundreds or even thousands of fully functional QR codes in one go. But not all bulk generators are created equal. When choosing one, you have to consider the ability to create a lot of codes and how easily and efficiently you can manage them. The best ones let you upload your data with a simple CSV file, create dynamic QR codes so you can update the content later, apply your branding with logos, colors, and even frames, download everything neatly in a zip file with file names that match your input, sort your QR codes into folders, and track how each QR code performs over time. That's the gold standard, and QR Tiger does all that. Plus, it's GDPR compliant, ISO certified, and backed by 24/7 live support. So whether you're generating 30 QR codes or 3,000, you're covered. Are you looking to secure your tickets from fraud, authenticate products on store shelves, or generate employee ID cards? Bulk QR codes make it possible to do all these efficiently, securely, and at scale. And if you're looking for a software that makes it all easier, QR Tiger is your best bet. To get started, just click the link in the description box below and see how smooth bulk generation should be. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button so you get more valuable insights on using QR codes for your business. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you're always in the loop when we release new content. What other QR code applications are you curious about? Let us know in the comments.